How to add battery icon in taskbar in Windows. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to do so, which should be pretty easy. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So method number one we can use is we can head over to our taskbar, right click on it and select the taskbar settings and open it up. Once we open it up, what we can do is we can go over to the notification section, go ahead and find this notification settings and open it up. And here, look out for the option of turning a system icons on or off. So go ahead and find this option, notification from apps or senders or system icons. Then you can just go over and find this option and find the option for power and battery, or you can directly go to system and there also we can find a section for power and battery where we can turn on this option for battery percentage. So just go over and turn on this option and just go over and do so, and that will display of the battery icon in the taskbar windows. Apart from that, if your power option is missing, what we can do is we can go ahead and look out for our device manager, open up your device manager, open it up, find it up. And once you find device manager, expand the option of batteries here. Find batteries, expand it up, and here check if the Microsoft AC adapter or the ACPI compliant control method battery are there. And once you find it up, right click on it. If it is disabled, you just need to enable it and you can restart your laptop once this is done. Apart from that, another method we can follow up is restart our Explorer. So what we can do is we can press Ctrl Shift and ESC for that and open up a task manager. And once we find our task manager, find Windows Explorer and right click on it and go ahead and look out for the option called restart and go ahead and restart your Windows Explorer from the section right here. And that's it. Usually these are some of the solutions you can follow up. Battery icon usually appears only on laptops, tablet with a battery. If you use a desktop PC, it normally won't show. And that's it everybody for now. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.